Hello, everybody, and this is a cat. Don't get the wrong idea. She's just eating. Today we are gonna do a view about my cat. Oh, look at the TV. Cheese, what are you doing? Cheese, come here. Cheese, come here. Cheese. Cheese. You dang fat cat. Ooh, thanks, Darius. What's up, my fat cat? This is my cat. And I want to do shout outs to Juan, Allie, Eric, Juan, Allie, Lucas, Eric, and Cameron. And also Juan. You see my fat cat. You fat. Wait, Cheese, get up. Get up. Cheese. Cheese. Look at that fat. Look at that. She's got fat. Guys, that's my radio. That's my radio. Hey, fat Cheese. Hey, fat Cheese. Meow 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 meow. Cheese, I swear, if you electrocute yourself, oh. Guys, I am about to do a cool trick. Oh, look at the lights. And it's you. What's up, you? I think you guys should be able to see me. What was that? That wasn't me. What's up? What's up, you? Run! There's a monster! Oh!
What's the monster doing? Was he snuffling this?
No. What are you doing, parents? What?
You and that box of saran wrap are in a battle to the death.